Hello again guys, and I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Fast and Furious 5 pack. Yeah, a bit late to the party on this one, I must admit. I've actually had this pack for a little while, just sort of not done the video. But yeah, as you can see, a different recording setup, trying different stuff. I've been trying to get this setup done for ages, it's still not done. But yeah, I thought I'd start using it, and a good way to start using it is with this 5 pack, because this can actually fit in the video. I need to remember not to donk this because the camera will move. Yeah, I'm finding more and more issues with this setup as I go on, because I want to lean my arms on it, but every time I lean my arms on it, it shakes the camera. Anyway, let's get right into this 5 pack, shall we? Nearly lost my finger doing that. So there we are, the 5 pack. I can actually leave stuff in the background of the video now. Hooray! So let's start things off with the 61 Impala. This is really cool. Was this in something recently? Ah, yes. Yes, it was. Oh dear. Well, I mean, if you like variations, I suppose this is for you. I was trying to think what this was in. Yep, the Fast and Furious set, which recently came out. I heard a lot about this set being very similar and having repeat cars. Well, they weren't wrong. The only real difference between these is the colour of the interior. And the wheels are very slightly different, and I think the paint is a bit more, this one's a bit lighter than this, but yeah, there we go. Don't get me wrong, it's a cool car. I like the casting. That stripe looks really nice on there, pretty cool looking. Bit of a mark on the hood and the roof there, but the stripe's pretty well done. The detail's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, car number 2. Is it Pontiac? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, I don't actually know what this car is. That's really irritating. And unlike most 5 packs, it don't say what it is on the back. But we do get this rather cool design on the back there. That art is actually really cool. I like that. But it doesn't say anywhere on that. It says donking the camera what these cars are, so I don't actually know what this one is. Ford, I don't know. But it doesn't say on the base either. But it's pretty cool. It's a nice looking car in green. Got a nice white stripe on there. Tamper seems good on that. Little side markers. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Chrome interior. Nice dark glass tint. That's pretty cool. And I don't think we've seen a repeat of this in another Fast and Furious set. This worries me about this new setup. I seem to keep finding issues with it, but let's carry on regardless. Next up we have a Corvette. Is it a Stingray? I really don't know. That's really annoying. Another one I don't know. The wheels look good on this though. Got some rear light details on this, which is really cool. Little number plate there as well. Even better. No light details on the front, but I'm pretty sure these are pop-up headlights, so you won't have any. Nice detail on the hood there. Those steering wheels really annoy me. If you're going to make a car with no roof where you can see the steering wheel, at least put a steering wheel that's just not a flat circle. Oh, that bugs me. But other than that, this is really cool. I like the details on the exhaust I've just noticed there, which go down the side. Yeah, it's pretty cool, other than that little thing there. I even will let the light blue tint slide. So, everyone's favourite, the Ford Escort. Even I know what that is. The RS 1600. So first things first, it looks awesome with that black tint on the front. I've always thought these fog lights were a little bit iffy on this, especially when they were the blue, or just, you know, if they were weird colours or even clear, they just didn't look quite right. With this dark tint, they do look a bit better, probably because you can't see them as much. The chrome bumper looks awesome. Got a really cool white stripe design. Again, rear bumper there looks really cool. Shame we didn't get any rear light details or even any front. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Chrome interior again with the dark tint. Quite nice looking gold wheels. This has definitely been done multiple times. There's also the premium line, which I think I've got somewhere. As you can tell, this has also already been done before in another Fast and Furious set with a premium line model. So Metal on Metal and Real Riders. This by far is better. However, I feel the colour is slightly better on this one. The slightly lighter blue looks a little bit better. And this one has the clear spots on the front. I think it would look better with the dark ones, but that's just my personal opinion. But this has the full light details and everything, so yeah, this regular 5-pack car ain't gonna be beating that, is it now? Especially as this has also got the cool wheels. But there we go, another one that's been done before. And lastly, the 70 Chevelle. I really wanted this pack mainly for this car because I really love this car. I think the Chevelles are really cool. It looks wicked in that matte sort of silvery grey. Shame we didn't get much light details because this is a really, really plain car. But we did get the side marker lights painted in, red at the back and orange at the front, which is cool. Which is really cool. Also got a bit of detail on the handle there, but it would have been nice to have a bit of front light details, or maybe just some fronts then, as the back is chrome. Just some front light details would have been nice, because it's a plain car other than that. But to be fair, I really like this casting. I think it looks cool. I feel like I'm rotating it a bit too much and too quickly, but I feel it looks cool in that colour. Also with the dark tint again. But once again, this car is going to be coming out again as a premium line in another Fast and Furious pack. It's like they're just rolling out these Fast and Furious packs here, there and everywhere, not really knowing what they want to do with them and running out of cars to put in them, by the seams of it. So yeah, I kind of want to get that pack because I really want the premium line cars. But due to the fact I just don't get them over here in the UK, I'm going to have to import it, which is a lot of money. And quite frankly, I don't have a lot because I'm saving up for a big, really big project. So there we go. There is Fast and Furious 5-pack. I've just noticed on the side it says what they are. That was a Ford Gran Torino Sport. If I can actually get that in the camera. So yeah, it did actually say, it said on the side what they were. Well done me. Well done me. And it was a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster was the other one. So yeah, there we are. Slightly sadistic review because, well, we've seen a lot of these before, or we're going to be with that one. Yeah, all in all, I like the pack. It's pretty cool, especially if you can't find the premium lines, because over here this pack is all you'll see in stores. You won't see the premium lines, so for most kids and people that are buying over here, this will be your lot. So in that respect, it's pretty cool. Not going to complain. I like having these. That is definitely awesome. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope it hasn't rambled on too much. Please leave a comment down below what you think of this 5-pack, and be sure to leave a comment of which is your favourite. I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like if you have, and I shall see you hopefully in the next video.